robust revenue inflow is key to development in any society. To block leakages and ensure a more effective system of generating revenue, the leadership of Apapa Lga government area invited members of its customary court and legislature to deliberate on the way forward. The council chairman, Adele, said residents should be more responsive with tax payments. He urged the customary court to be more familiar with bylaws regarding revenue payment so appropriate judgment can be carried out on individuals or businesses not willing to play their roles. He urged the legislature to keep track of modern-day trajectories and update the bylaws when necessary. There was a dialogue session as legal and financial experts weighed in on the discussions, while the audience also contributed.
We have come to this realization that it is always the most difficult thing for one to get from people is money, particularly when you ask people to pay for rates and taxes. You are not asking them to do you a favor. You are asking them to pay for what has been provided in the law. And the law has equally made it simple for us now. That I think it's section 13 of that if you ask somebody and they are not complying, don't fight. Just go to the magistrate court that has jurisdiction over it and get your order. And the order there could be order of sealing the office. When an office is sealed and no business is carried out, every other person will know that these people are now serious. Because what we will be doing is not arbitrariness. It's not that it's not self-help any longer. You have obtained the order of court.
Participants expect the symposium to yield a positive result.
The ratepayers, they don't want to pay. They will be looking for one way or another to run away from paying us. But from the little experience we're going to gain from here now and from possible answers he's been able to give to us, we'll know how to drag more people in to pay what they are supposed to pay us. And those ones that are not complying, we know where to go. That will be a legitimate way of punishing them for not paying our dues.
The way forward is that the council, the lawyers at the local government level should see it as their responsibility to always bring issues of disobedience to the law before the customary court. Because when such are not taken to the customary court will become idle. They will not be doing anything. Meanwhile, the generation of revenue that ought to have come to the local government will not come. Because we have gone beyond that age where we do everything by force. Where somebody is disobeying the rules and regulations, take the person to them so that they will not accuse you of being the one that is imposing the fine and the one determining the gift of people with respect to those collections.
Some of the points that we intend to pass across is buttressing the fact that whatever revenue that the local government wants to generate must be within the confines of their jurisdiction. We have the customary court laws, and their jurisdiction is rightly stated in that law. So restricting themselves within that jurisdiction and ensuring that there is no abuse of power, or that they don't act ultra-vires of the law at the end of the day. So we are here to guide them, and we are also here to let them know that they can be proactive and innovative in terms of generating revenue. We know that the NSAS and COVID-19 has had a great impact on the economy. So they need to look inward and look for ways by which they can, within the confines of the law, generate revenue so that they can be able to fulfill their constitutional mandate and meet the needs of their people.
It's just so unfortunate that our headlights, let me use the example of Apapa, our headlights in Apapa that normally go to the Western world, they obey and they pay their taxes. But when they come back home, We knock at their door, we serve them the legitimate bill. You will now be hearing one type of English or the other. And some of our staffs doesn't know the rudiment, the importance of the customary court and the power that the local government has. That is why, through the help of the Almighty God, just beckon upon me that we need to do this workshop in order to have more ideas, to know their right from their left, that local government is a third tier of government. The way the federal government, the way Lagos state or state government is being respected, local government also should be respected.
The meeting is a step in the right direction towards improved revenue generation.